that's something with that. That's something thing that people. So I run something. I take it easy that evening.
Yeah.
Yeah. Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
You can do the introduction, you know.
That's the introduction.
Guys, he says that's the introduction. Yeah.
Another prayers.
Welcome back to the channel, people.
Give thanks to life.
Yes. Yeah.
Good. Good.
So, yeah.
These are here.
I'm back. Yeah. It's Sunday today. It's lockdown. But, you know, what can we do?
We'll find things to do.
Yeah, we've got a lot of things to do.
I'll show you too.
Yes. So stick with us, people. Yeah, we'll take you through on this Sunday, lockdown Sunday. Show you what we're up to.
All these things. Yeah, we have to show you a few things, man. Don't worry about it. Run away a swinger.
People, yesterday in the market back as we like to call it, we went to get a few things and planting was one of the things because we're going to use it today. And look at this, people. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 planting. For how much?
$300.
$300.
Full money. 300
Jamaican dollars. I'm going to put the conversion rate up now. But all of this, people, for $300. $300. Yeah, we're going to show you what we're going to do with them a little later. But $300 for all of these. Yeah. This man loves a pear. Yeah, loves a pear.
Bulla and pear.
Oh, that's what you eating this morning, bulla and pear. Bulla and pear. Settings.
You know how far I come from that?
Yeah.
Nah, change my lane. I ain't a million. When I'm done praying my people. Stay in my lane. There she goes, Pete. Back in the yard.
Hey everyone. Coming to check out what's going on with the mango tree there. Yeah. I told them to leave some mango for me. Can you tell them to leave some mango for me? Yeah.
I know did leave some.
Can you show me then?
See them there?
What did you leave for me?
Come on, babe.
It looked like the trees just growing.
Mango there.
Okay. Oh yeah.
You want them left here there?
Oh, is that mine?
Yeah, one time.
Is it going to be ready?
When it's ready?
When? How long?
Me not have the statistics on that.
Is it?
No, but no say it's not ready. It's ready, I have mango them there. Yeah, so me left you for there. Yeah. So, you know what you go? I'm going to create me.
Look at this now.
People remember that little tree I showed you?
Yeah, a few months ago.
A few months ago I showed that little tree, an apple tree. But a little bit down there, so. See it up there so now? See there? See that something that go peep? Yes, that's his natural nature going on. See them there? That's an apple tree. The lick one I'm show you where they go. See there? So it's there now. I'm going to show you something else around there, sir.
Going over there.
I'm going to show you something else around there, sir. I don't know about that, people. What if you know about this? June plum. Right, the back here, so right, the yard back. See them there? June plum. See them there? They're on that down, people. So we are showing what I go on here, so. Because we don't know what I go on the road, you know. If you go there, you're going to get the cart up, because we don't want to do that. So we are showing what I go on right over your foot, so. See there, so? June plum. Is that?
I didn't see these before.
I don't have to tell you now. Just now,
When
look
did
at how
this
we move.
happen?
Yeah, just the other day when
1 month.
you know most things go on. Look at that. So these are going and come to these in the backyard. See the people? Jelly. Yeah, that is Jamaica. Natural place. Everything is good by the grace.
Alright, what else we got?
Look at these, man.
What else is there? What other changes have been happening since I left?
Oh, so we have pepper tree there. Plant peppers.
Yeah.
Pepper there.
Pepper.
Yeah, man. Hot
So
pepper.
planted pepper, hot
Right
pepper.
down, just straight down.
So how many of them?
About 15 trees right there.
So look, people, you see these little these little ones?
Yeah, 15 of them.
Let me come round, I'll show you.
Yeah, go right now. Come over there. 15 of them.
So you see, he's been busy since I left. Hot pepper.
Hot pepper trees.
Hot pepper trees, yes.
You don't have surprise to you.
Oh my gosh! I didn't even see this. For people, it's the first time I'm coming in the garden since I've been back, you know.
Pumpkin.
Look at this, people. Look at I have to zoom in. Oh my! Pumpkin. Can you see that? Wow. Oh my gosh. So all this is pumpkin leaves.
Yeah, man, pumpkin right here.
Pumpkin.
Now we have sweet potatoes, see that?
Yeah? You never told me this. People, I'm coming back, I'm just finding out all of this.
Sweet potato.
What?
Yeah. The
Yeah?
sweet potato, yeah, man.
Oh my
Sweet
god.
potato there.
People been busy, innit?
That's something there.
So this pumpkin, but this one caught me by surprise.
Yeah, man.
Pumpkin in the garden.
And it's a new banana tree that's put in.
And a new banana tree. Yeah.
Right there.
New banana tree.
tree that's put in.
But this is what I want to come and see, people. So
Yeah, but that's a surprise you people,
Yeah.
but not a nice one, but it's a surprise.
yeah, so I think when we very first started the channel, we did a market vlog and we showed you the back. And we showed you this tree. You see how it's grown?
That little banana tree.
Yes,
is
look at it now.
that big one right now.
But look at this, people. Look what happened. Look,
One banana, 700 banana people.
look.
Look at my people. One banana you put out. One banana you put out. See there's 700 upon it, people. And when you eat that girl Grace.
Grace, Storm Grace.
Yeah, the idiot girl
Before
Grace.
Storm Ida, Storm Grace.
Spoil me food.
Look at this. This was the first
First bearing.
bearing, the first bearing of it.
Yeah, first bearing.
And we can't get to enjoy it.
And the girl Grace, that nasty girl, come and spoil my food.
Yeah, look at that. But more will grow.
People must have staying at the house, at the back door. So. Look at, show the back door. That back door, so. I just must stand up and watch Grace a hack the tree. Right, so I stood up inside people when Grace passed and I hacked the tree.
You couldn't go and save it.
And the following day, because he couldn't save it. Couldn't come out. Because I never have no stick like right away. I have to go look under the bush and something and come back. Couldn't do all these things.
Look the people.
Following day, this just drop out people.
Yeah. And this is the first bearing of banana. And look
700 bananas.
700 on it. But not to worry.
Yeah, best thing now, people. Siblings.
Siblings, yeah.
8 siblings around it.
Yeah.
8 siblings are come. So we're not there far from food again. Master God, I'm good for you. Master God, I'm come and beer. One wine can beer.
So come see banana.
Yes. So you see that's something they want. Whenever you get Grace, everything is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything is good. I tell the people, so you think go.
We've had a couple of storms, people, Grace and Ida, but I think we're over it now.
Yes.
So you know.
We have sunshine now, you know?
Yeah.
Energy again.
That's it.
Ready to fit up back the rest we left,
That's it.
So you know
and we're going to be going soon. As soon as lockdown and everything's finished, we're going to go to the garden centre and pick up some tomato seeds and some stuff that we can.
Yeah, so we're putting one on two little things. Another one in. Another one in.
Oh look! When did this start coming up?
Another banana.
Another banana tree.
Yeah,
in its early stages. Wow. All right.
By next 2 months, I show them about the same one the people, and we understand me. I said to Yeah. Yeah, my fire side.
You know, with lots of roasties, yam and roasties, breadfruit.
Right
see there, right there.
Right there. Clean and pretty, ready for cook again.
Yeah, but things is going on in the garden, people. I like what I see. I like what I see. Yeah, man.
Here's the pepper and pumpkin right now.
I look forward to eating.
Yes.
Naturally grown.
Yes.
From the garden.
Nice soup water that thing.
From garden to kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sweet potato, banana. People. Remember that coconut tree already? You're going to pick up 2 coconuts and you're going to make blue jars.
Oh, yes.
2 dry coconuts and pick up that tree and make blue jars.
And you give the kids as well?
We're going to make some jelly and make the youth them. Look, me show them about everything we are going. Alright, look on the tree now. Tell me some blessing that. Look on that. I give you 2 of this right here to my neighbor them. See them there? Give me neighbor 2 of that to my left 4 upon it. Look here again, my people. Tell me some blessing that. That's a jelly ready for drink.
Yeah.
Look up top. Look how I come up so. Tell me some blessing that.
And some few trying to
that's them things that up, man. That's how the thing go. That's something there, people.
Yeah.
Only for man has about 50 prayers. You know? Good. Yeah, people. You know, say lockdown something. So we have to do what we have to do. Yeah, because I go up on the seaside and say me I go look two fish down on the seaside, two parrot or two snapper or two butter or two. You know what I'm saying? I got 3 different places for the seaside and one type of fish I see. So the fish named Jack. You don't want a man fish.
You don't want a jackfish?
You don't want no Jack. So if I go down on my place now and go to slice. So and so I know really the best thing because we talk about the fridge and this thing and the ice, but I think better we grab back this one and
so work with what we could work with.
no,
it's
Jack.
easy, you clean them and season them up and everything.
Yeah, that's something to go. So
you got Friday.
That's everything there. So then with some excavation. That's something there and with a different type of vibe. I can't know with man.
So we're gonna do this.
That's a part of the menu, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna do with it.
Fry plant, we can press them plant there.
Press them.
Yeah, fry and press. You soon tell you the rest.
Okay, yes people, for our Sunday we are having escovitch fish. So it's done and ready. Just waiting for Outlaw to come and press these plant in. They're gonna press them. I know people usually press green planting, right?
Yeah.
Usually green planting, yeah?
Yeah.
But you like to do the
turn one.
Turn right planting. Yeah, you like to do turn right. And they taste good.
These not fully right.
Then yeah.
Them turn, them
yeah.
tough. So
But they're nice
press.
when they're pressed.
Yeah.
But I know people usually do green.
Yeah, them
press
tough.
green planting,
They
yeah.
can press. To them tough, them can press. They're tough.
Yeah.
They're not soft, they're not fully ripe. You can see the green also green same way. See them there? The part of green same way.
Yeah.
That means you see there, you can see the green in the same way.
Yeah.
That means they're not fully ripe.
Yeah.
But them can press. If they're riper than that, we could press them.
Fish done. Plant in left to press. Yeah. So you say. Say how you say.
Man, as I'm pressed. Yeah, my people, that's something I know we are talking about. We got the escovitch fish already and all them something there. So we are going to the next step right now. That's something I name. Fry planting. Press.
Press planting.
Press planting. Or fry it and then press it. Turn planting, not the red ripe one, the turn one. Do like the ripe down, in a ripe like that. You understand what we are saying? So we'll cut that something here, do what we have to do, and put everything together. We'll cut the one in a tree. I want that. 2, 3.
They're quite thick.
Do them thick? Thick or rust. Something there. So what we're going to do now is do that something here. Let's try them and put in the right now. So we think that man. Yeah, my people. Tell me about them pressing. Think of dressing. Everything the rest in. So I press the one on my peeps.
Put them in the planting skin.
Yeah, put it back in the skin, don't?
Yeah. Back in the skin.
Put it back in the skin, you must win.
I'm gonna press it now.
I'm gonna press it. Something there?
Yeah.
Here we go.
People, these are the best. Trust me, these are the best. Like I said, most people do them with green banana. Most people do them with green plantain.
Something there?
Yeah.
These are my peeps.
Press them and then back in the oil again to finish up. Yeah. And on the fire. Our little dinner is done. It's a light dinner today. No heavy rice and peas and traditional Sunday dinner. So just a little fried fish, a little escovitch fish, some pressed plantain, and just a little pasta salad, and that's it. Light dinner today. So Babes, thank you for dinner. I'm gonna enjoy this now, people. I said to Outlaw, I've only been back a few days, people, but I said to him, I need to climatize. I need 2 weeks to climatize. Didn't I tell you this? 2 weeks to climatize. So for the next 2 weeks, I can't do anything. I can't cook. I can't do nothing in the house.
What's wrong with you, girl?
People, I'm jet lagged. I'm really badly jet lagged. I've never been this jet lagged before, but I'm so jet lagged. Tell them, am I not jet lagged?
What lag?
I'm jet lagged. I'm on English time zone. I feel tired all the
time. It
time.
has nothing to do with that, man. We are talking about Jamaica now, yesterday.
Yeah, but I'm jet lagged. I'm jet lagged, so.
But that's something, man.
Yes, sir.
People, me alone are there. The whole time she's never there. Me and the whole of the youth them there. And me alone do everything.
Yeah, so 2 more weeks won't hurt.
No, me not signing.
But I'm jet lagged and I need to climatize.
People don't tell us that when she's in England, she not doing nothing at all. Mama and Papa's spoil to the tea. Don't you tell that, people?
Yeah.
Okay, man, that's not
but I'm climatizing.
People.
I'm climatizing.
I give thanks for that. I'm still have my wife.
Okay. And I'm grateful, people, for this. So, yeah.
Even our about you know, everything good, you know. So we do everything. Nice and smooth. We never have no cup, no broke, no coffee, no dash way.
Alright.
I'll get business. Good, man. That's something with that. That's everything there, people. So I run everything. I take it easy that even.
Yeah.
Lockdown something.
Yeah.
So we just turn it on and make fashion. Some different kind of something.
Lockdown meal, lockdown food, lockdown Sunday.
Something there. So we just do everything.
Alright.
And run this over the same. People, remember, like, subscribe, share, and one more thing, don't forget to watch a piece of the ads. Please watch a piece of the ads. That's what them, man. They are swing with it. So yeah, that's everything there. Good.
This one has got to be now. Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.